Hey, Yardie Belly family. It's picnic day, guys. We're on the way to our church's annual Sunday school picnic. Alright?
Yeah.
It's a very overcast today. I don't know if you guys can see. Very overcast. This morning it rained like nobody's business. So we only are hoping for a good day. That the rest of the day will be nice and fair, not sunny. I'll take the overcast because the heat and the sun in South Florida turn right up. So, look how the man fresh.
Fresh and clean, remember me tell you.
So the man come for take it today. Remember me tell you that? Just the reel in the back. Yeah, so. Alright, so we're on the way to Dania Beach.
Yep.
Yeah. Stay tuned. If things are going, when do we find out?
So the park we're going to is called Dr. Von D. Mizell-Eula Johnson State Park. And it's formerly the John Yardie Park. Now the name has changed. Who knew?
So this is where our church is gonna be having a picnic. Oh.
Yes, man, it's a lazy Saturday, and the time is overcast and stuff, but it's a good place to be, to relax and catch a vibe, hanging out with the church family and just making use of the day, socializing and fellowshipping, and just enjoying the sceneries. Yes, for real. And I promise you guys, as soon as we reach, Joshua make a beeline for the ocean. But as usual, I have to check out the food. First thing I see is Brother Watson doing an awesome job on the grill, and our little pavilion is 100% stocked and ready to go. Look here, jerk pork, fire with still, but it look good, it look nice. Brother Watson not doing thing. Remember me tell you. Go on, brother. Food look good.
Who win? Yeah. Oh, we three. We on top. Yeah. Yes, sir. You want to go? No, them not put it in there because music are playing. Do like a dancing. Yeah, man. That's how the beach life is, you know. Look on the boat behind me. That's a carnival ship behind me right there. Yeah.
Father God, we just want to thank you for this Saturday, Lord, that we are able to come together and fellowship for another annual picnic, God. We're just asking that you would just bless the food, bless the hands that made it, bless those that offered their money to be able to pay for the things so that we can be able to eat today, Lord. Ask that you would just bless every single person here, Lord. We just ask that you would allow us to have a fun time, oh God. Let us remain safe, Lord, and I just pray that we would just continue to have a good time throughout the day, God. Thank you for good weather, Lord. We're just praying that it wouldn't rain, Lord, and that we would just have fun as one body and one family, Lord. We just want to praise your name and glorify you. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
So after prayer, it was time for food, and we begin with hot dogs and burgers. And as usual, me and Joshua took the time out to show our burger making skill by making our famous mixed hot dog burger. Yes, it was awesome, and Joshua won. My one looked better than Joshua one still. Look at Joshua one. Yes, my one is more cheesy and more mustardy. Yes, we are making burgers at our picnic, and look at that, looks awesome.
I made that. Nice.
Of course, with so much food, I had to mention that Yardie TV is the one who made the meatballs and the vegetables. And as you can see, it looks so divine, so nice. Yes, and so delicious. Everybody was just rushing my vegetables and my meatballs. Yes. And I made the sauce to go with the vegetables as well. Look at that. That was a habanero sesame seed vinaigrette. that I made to pour on my dressing. Thank you kindly. Awesome.
And the winner is Abigail. You're talking about babies, elderly, teenager, and everybody in the zone.
Come from mash up the place. We're jamming. Look at it. We're jamming right straight from the yard. In the rooms ain't no cloud. We can do it anyhow. Oh, you know we'll see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. We're the level of the fight. Jamming.
It's the end of a day.
The long day.
Tiring day.
Yep.
We're supposed to say more things about day. A fun day.
I want to go
An interesting day.
So we're heading home now because I have an event later on. But all in all, it was a good day. I show you, as you see, a whole lot of little activities. For the most part, it was super hot. So we see you when we see you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and all these other things. And if you have not subscribed, really subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. It's so pretty here in SoFlo. And the park is formerly John-Eula Park. Dr. What name? Mixon Van.
People name. I don't know them.
Yeah. Alright. So
Joshua Reel in the back.
I won a football game.
Alright.
check us out for more videos on the road.
Look, it's a Lamborghini. Show the Lamborghini.
Really?
Yardie TV, wifey, and the boy signing out. Peace.